Welcome to the all-in-one moving planner. This workbook combines the dashboard, timeline, calendar, task tracker, packing tracker, budget planner, address updates, service providers, room planner, and move day checklist. Follow the workbook in order so your move stays organized from the first plan to the final walkthrough. Begin on the dashboard. Replace the sample move date with your real moving day. Update the old address and the new address. Review total tasks, completed tasks, urgent tasks, total boxes, packed boxes, fragile items, packing rate, budget, and service providers. The dashboard is mainly for review. Enter details in the source tabs and return here to confirm the results. Open Start here before changing detailed data. This page explains the workbook scope and the recommended order. The 11 visible tabs are Start Here, Dashboard, Timeline, Calendar, Task Tracker, Packing Tracker, Budget Planner, Address Updates, Service Providers, Room Planner, and Move Day Checklist. Work through one section at a time. Open Timeline and divide the move into 5 stages: 6 months before, 3 months before, 1 month before, 1 week before, and Move Day. Enter one clear task in each row. Assign an owner, add a due date, mark the completion status, and write a short note. Review the progress rows every week so unfinished work does not pile up near move day. Open Calendar and choose the year, month, and start day first. Add important dates such as truck reservation, utility transfer, internet setup, cleaning service, final walkthrough, and move day. Use the deadline list beside the calendar. When several tasks fall on one day, move lower priority work to another day. Use Task Tracker as the master action list. Add one action per row. Choose a category. Enter the task name. Select status and priority. Assign an owner. And add start and due dates. Update % complete and notes as work progresses. Use the summary charts to find overdue, high priority, unassigned, or on hold work. Open Packing Tracker and give every box a unique box identification number. Select the destination room. Enter the item group and item details. Add quantity and mark fragile, packed, loaded, and delivered status. Use notes for special handling and unpacking instructions. Review the rune summary to see which runes are complete and which still need work. Open Budget Planner and create categories such as moving company, packing supplies, storage, cleaning, and utility setup. Enter the planned amount before spending. As invoices are paid, update the actual amount, payment status, due date, vendor, and notes. Review total budget. Use budget, remaining balance, and the category chart before making new commitments. Use address updates to list every organization that needs your new address. Include banks, insurance, subscriptions, government records, utilities, and personal contacts. Record submitted and confirmed dates. In service providers, compare movers, storage, cleaning, and internet companies. Enter quotes, ratings, phone numbers, email addresses, deposits, and your final provider choice. Finish with Room Planner and Move Day Checklist. For each destination room, enter priority, furniture, items to bring, items to buy, measurements, set up tasks, and notes. On Move Day Checklist, organize the day by time, task, location, person in charge, status, and notes. Confirm departure, arrival, utility checks, emergency contacts, final walkthrough, and final sign-off. After all source tabs are updated, return to the dashboard. Confirm the move date, addresses, task progress, packing rate, remaining budget, and selected service providers. Save a clean backup before major changes. Use the Excel workbook for desktop editing, or open the Google Sheets Access PDF and choose File, then make a copy. Review the planner every week until the move is complete.